In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your collaborator code in Shopify. Before we jump in, here's what this code is and why it matters. Your collaborator code is a short 4-digit number that you share with a trusted Shopify partner or agency so they can request access to your store as a collaborator. It helps make sure the request you receive is legitimate and ties it to the right partner. Only share this code with people you've chosen to work with and never post it publicly. You'll find it inside your Shopify admin, and it takes just a moment once you know where to look. Start by signing into your Shopify admin on a desktop browser for the clearest view. On the admin homepage, look to the bottom left corner for the gear icon labeled Settings. Click that. Settings is the control room for your store, and going there keeps the next options grouped in one predictable place. If you manage multiple stores, confirm you're in the correct one before moving forward, since the code is unique to each store. Inside Settings, open the section for Users. Depending on your interface, this may be labeled Users or Users and Permissions. This is where you manage staff accounts and any collaborator permissions. Clicking into Users doesn't change anything on its own. It simply opens the area where the security details you need are stored. Within the Users area, find and click the Security section. The security page is designed for access controls and authentication settings, and it's also where Shopify displays your collaborator code. You don't need to adjust any password or two-factor settings to see the code, you're just navigating to the right spot. You'll now see your collaborator code displayed as a 4-digit number. That's the one to share with your chosen partner so they can submit a proper access request. Copy it carefully and keep it somewhere secure if you plan to share it shortly. If you're working in a team, consider sending it through a secure channel rather than a public chat or comment thread. If you don't see the code, a couple of quick checks can help. Make sure you're logged into the correct store and confirm you have sufficient permissions. Some settings may only be visible to the store owner or users with the right role. If needed, ask the store owner to retrieve the code from the same place. And that's it. Open Settings, go to Users, open Security, and the 4-digit collaborator code is right there. Share it only with trusted partners, and you'll be ready to approve their access request smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you move forward with confidence.